Hello and welcome to a new episode. In this video, we're going to show you some beautiful hairstyles. So let us start without any further discussions. And here we are braiding the hair at the left side. Similar to the left side, we also have to do it in the right side. So we have an arch-like shape when we look from the back side. Then we join those two braided pieces together and we can use a rubber band. And here we go to our second style in this video, and we take two pieces of hair and we tie a knot there, and that knot is a special knot. And then from that knot we take some hair from the right side, then we braid it. We do the same thing in the left side and we join them together, and then we take another piece of braided hair from the right side and we join the remaining hair and braid. Similar thing is done in the left side also for symmetry. Then we can join it. So this is very beautiful. Then we make a loop at the center, and through that loop we take some hair from the right side as well as left side. Then we can insert again through the loop. We can tie it. Then we take some more piece of hair and insert through the loops. So here it is similar to braiding but somewhat different from normal braiding. Okay. Here also we make the loop and we insert hair through that loop. Then we braid it, then we do that in the left side and right side, and we tie it together. Here you can see a blue colored butterfly decorative item. Such decorative items can be purchased from the market and they can be used along with the braiding pattern that gives more attractiveness to your hair. The same thing has been used here also. So it is your choice what kind of decorative material is to be used, what kind of color do we need on your hair. And that relies upon your idea, your creativity and your sense of beauty. So here we are going to our next hairstyle. Here we are braiding, but actually this type of braiding is somewhat different. As you can see here, we are weaving the hair like we weave the clothes. So that is a different style, and that is very beautiful one also. But it is quite tasky. It is not that much easy to achieve this, but if you have patience, if you have concentration, you can achieve it. You can do it on your own. Here we're braiding the hair, and at the middle portion it is as normal braiding, but we take some group of hair from the right and left from the front and join it with the braiding piece. Here we have a normal braiding, then we take a loop, we insert such hair through the loops that has been formed due to braiding. Then we take those pieces and braid again, as you can see. And for these types of hairstyles, the skills that you have with your fingers are very key. So you have to be very skillful with your fingers, and you can also use some other materials like as we have seen in the previous one, we have used a stick with a small loop, and with that you can insert through small loops or small spaces, and then we can pull hair from other parts. So such materials can also be used, and they are a great assistance for such hair patterns. And this stick have a small circular loop at the top, then through that we can pull out hair. So you can copy this at your home. You should be very careful when you deal with your hair, because hair gives beauty and attractiveness to our appearance, but caring this hair is not that much easy. There are different kinds of materials that we need for a beautiful hair. Sometimes we use shampoos, we may want to use conditioners, we may want to use hair colors. Different colors can be given to hair, so we might have to use hair colors. Sometimes we may have to use hair dryers and other instruments, some kind of electrical equipment for maintaining our hair beautifully. So it is not that much easy and simple for maintaining hair. Having long hair can be easy, but maintaining it is not that much easy. Likewise, having this kind of hairstyles, making such patterns on your head, it is also difficult or tasky, so you have to be careful and you should learn this. You can rewind the video again and again to watch carefully how this is being made. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.